Hello YouTube, this is TechStream 101 and
In this video I will be showing you how to apply the number 2 custom ROM if you are running on LG Esteem version ZVD. Okay, so assuming that you have updated to ZVD at this point and you're rooted, and if you don't know how to root, head over to one of my other videos, and it's the ZVC/ZVD root. You should find it. It's in the uploaded playlist. It's actually, I also have an LG Esteem playlist now, and it's in there too. So your first step is you're going to go to the download link below, and you're going to download this number 2 zip file. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to put this on our SD card. So I actually put my SD card into my computer, and I'm going to go ahead and open it up. So by going to Start and Computer, and then you can see this secure digital storage device. That's how mine came up as. Okay, and you can tell it's your Android SD card because there's all these Android folders. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're actually going to drag and drop, but don't drop it in a folder. Drop it just to where it says the whole name, so secure digital storage device. Okay, and it'll take just a few seconds. Okay, and once that finishes, what you want to do is you want to close out of this, and then you want to go down and you want to right click this safely remove hardware, and you want to eject your SD card. Do not just pull it out of your computer. So eject SD memory card, and it'll say safely to remove, or it's safe to remove hardware, or whatever. Okay, and for some reason the message bubble didn't pop up. So if you want to double check, you can go into Start and Computer, and my SD card's no longer there, so that means it safely ejected it. It just failed to show me. And your phone should power back up. I'm going to go ahead and plug my phone back into my computer. When I put my SD card back into my phone, I had to unplug it from my computer. That way I could shut it off completely and put the SD card back in. So I just wanted to show you first that I am rooted. I have super user. You can't have super user unless you're rooted. So your first step, what you want to do is you want to go into ROM Manager. Go over to Settings, or the menu button, click on Settings, and you want to use external storage. What we're going to do is back up this ROM in case something happens, or in case you want to restore just to ZVD with just root, no custom ROM later on. We're going to check that use external storage button. That way the backup goes onto your SD card and it doesn't take up all your internal memory space. So we're going to go back. We're actually going to go down to Backup Current ROM and then hit Install. And then you want to scroll down to your phone type, LG Esteem, and this is just configuring it for the LG Esteem pretty much. Okay, and once it finishes downloading, super user will ask for access, so go ahead and allow it. Okay, click OK. Now we're going to go back down and we're going to try to back up this ROM again. I'm going to call it ZVD no, oops, I cannot spell, no ROM. Okay, so then you're going to click OK, and now it's going to back up the current ROM. It's going to restart probably just one time. You'll see it doing its thing, and then once your phone starts back up, that means your ROM was successfully backed up. Okay, and after the backup is completed, your phone will reboot. For some reason, I don't know why I plugged my phone back into my computer since the file's on our SD card. So I'm going to go ahead and actually hit eject on my computer right now, and then I'm going to pull out the cord on my phone. Okay, now what you want to do is we're going to reboot into recovery. So go back into ROM Manager, okay, and hit reboot into recovery. And hit yes, okay. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to use the volume up and down keys to make your selection and hit the power button to finalize your selection. So we're going to go to wipe data/factory reset. Scroll down to where you see yes, confirm, delete all data. This will just allow it to get a fresh start. Okay, so once that finishes, you want to go down to advanced. You want to wipe Dalvik cache. Go ahead and confirm it. Okay, so now you want to go back to the main menu and hit install zip from SD card. choose it from SD card. And we're going to go down to number 2, ZVD 2.1. Make a selection, go down, confirm it, and we're off. Okay, and as you can see here, install from SD card complete. So what you want to do is you want to go to go back, and we want to go back up to reboot system now. Okay, so what you want to do is unlock your phone. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of the setup stuff for now. What you want to do is you want to immediately reboot your phone. Okay, and as you can see, number 2 is the ROM I'm using. I'm going to go ahead and unlock. Okay, and I just want to show you guys that I am on ZVD. So settings, I'm going to go down to about phone. And I'm on ZVD. So if you guys have any questions or anything, just leave a comment in the section below. But other than that, good luck and happy rooting and ROMing and all of that crap.